Hi everyone, my name is Sofiya, welcome to my channel and thank you for watching this video. Today I want to share with you my new purchase. I really wanted for longest time to shoot overhead videos because I like how it looks, but I couldn't figure out the best way to do it because I didn't want to buy a new tripod. I already have two and I wanted something affordable, easy to set up, and so I got the solution and I hope it will work for me. So I just got back from B&H in New York City where I picked up my Manfrotto arm and the clamp to attach it to the table. So I want to share with you how to set up it, unpackage it and tell my review. I hope you will enjoy this video and let's get started. So this is what came from the B&H. So here is the Manfrotto. It's called lighting supports, but you actually use it for anything. I feel like why not? And I also got the Superclamp. It's really heavy. This thing I feel like heavier than this arm, which is really funny. And so this arm can support up to 3.3 pounds or 1.5 kilograms, if I'm not mistaken. And it extends pretty long. It has two arms because I know Manfrotto has the 3 one, but I decided that 2 will be enough for me. And the package is pretty simple. It's nothing like super special, but it works. I hate wasting a lot of resources, so I like when the packaging are compact. Here is the instruction how to set it up, I guess, or just saying how not to use it. Nothing useful, I guess. So here is the arm, and here is detail that I need to figure out what it is for. Okay, so the arm can extend pretty long, and it's really nicely done. So, whoops. So here how it looks, and let's try to set it up. And here is the clamp. This has two kinds of clamp. One is T and one is like this long. I like the long one better than the T, so just more comfortable if you like. So you can attach this clamp to a tripod or something, or you can insert this thing to make it workable to the flat surface. I think it's a great solution. And we're taking the arm itself and you're putting this thing inside here, like that. To do that, we need to unscrew here, and you need to press the button to insert it. Here it is. And then what's next, you can change the position of this arm however you want. You can put it further, you can extend it to this and position as you want. So let's find an angle and put the bracket. So the bracket looks like that, and you can attach to any of the hole you want. Let's do the second one. So here you will attach your camera, and I will show you the view from the below after this. I feel it's pretty great view and I like how it looks like. It was really easy to set it up, and it's really great. It's really sturdy. My camera I use Alpha 6500 and it's not heavy, so I think it can take even heavier DSLR cameras, but it works really well with my camera and it fits perfectly to the bracket. So I hope you enjoyed this video. The one thing that I forgot to mention is that the full length of this arm is 23.6 inches or 60 centimeters, and I find it pretty enough for the table. I think I have a 3-section arm ones that are longer, but I need to check it. For my purposes, I find it sufficient. I just really wish that this part, the Superclamp, was a little bit tinier so I can fit it on the other side of the table, but maybe I will figure it out in another way if I move the table. I need to think about it. But so far I really enjoy it. It holds my camera, it's really sturdy, and I'm really happy that it doesn't take a lot of space and time to set up. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, leave the comments, and see you next time.